Welcome to Eabc Tech Computer Education. Today we are going to learn together how to use Power Bible. Power Bible is to use. It's a tool or an application, as we talked about in the previous lessons for Microsoft Word, or how to use a computer. It is a part of the applications for Christian Bible study. Features such as like floating close references, floating strong definitions, lesson edit, fast Bible search, and also will help you to get the most out of the Bible study time. So the Power Bible includes 22 Bible translations, over 10 Bible dictionaries, and over 10 topical references, and 20 commentaries, and over 700,000 close references. So this is a Power Bible. When you open it, this is how it looks like. Let's dive into it, no wasting our time. So when you go to desktop, of course, if it is installed in your computer, it should look like this. So when I double click on it, I'm going to open it. It's Power Bible. When you open it, let's close everything. Normally, it opens in the default way like this. So when it opens this way, don't worry and don't wonder where to go next. The first thing you have to do, it is to open a Bible. Choose the version of the Bible you need, and then you open it. This is KJV Bible. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. So the sides, this side here, you have all the books from Genesis to Revelation. You just come and choose the book you want. And then this is the side for the chapters. You choose the chapter you want. The rest to bring the verses you need. Okay. So now these blue things you are seeing around here, this is what we call cross references. You can see that Exodus chapter 8 verse 1 cross references, and there is Exodus chapter 3 verse 12, 18, and also chapter 4 verse 23 and others. So then down you have what we call full compare. Full compare, these are the other versions of the Bible. In this book you can compare with when you want to compare that verse, but also you can activate them or you can add them if you want by going to the place I'm going to show you. So let's first go to file. File, what is in a file? In a file we have export range. If you want to export a certain range of the verse you want, let me say you want to export Genesis chapter 1, the entire chapter. So you will come to export. Right now if we do save, it will go and save itself to where you want to put it, to Microsoft Word or to the desktop. Let's go there. Just choose that I want to export it to maybe this PC, and I want to choose a location. Let me say I want to put it maybe in any place. Okay, so when you save, it will export from there, but I don't want to export it now. So let's go to file again. If you want to print that range, if you want to print only a certain range, you can go to print. Once you say print, the printer will only recognize Genesis chapter 1, the entire chapter. Instead of typing the whole chapter, you can just print it from here. Okay, so that is fine. Also, you can go to print setup. In print setup, when you want to set up the printer, okay, if you have a printer like I have a Canon ready, you can select Canon, then you just press OK. So anytime you come to print range to be immediately access the other printer you have selected. Now, how do you open a lesson? If you have a lesson in this, you can open a lesson, or you can even edit a lesson from here if you want. Okay, if you don't have Microsoft Word in your computer, you can use this one to save a lesson. I don't need to save anything. So you can open the new lesson which you edit, or you can open existing lesson, one of the lesson you have inside there. So now preference, of course, these are the settings and others. So let's go to edit. What is in edit? In edit we have a copy and the copy window, copy range, and print window, such as like if you want to copy a range, you want like Genesis chapter 1, the entire chapter. If I say the entire chapter, I open Microsoft Word, the brand new document, then I paste here the entire chapter will come. As you can see, I have copied the entire Genesis chapter 1. So this is very important. So now, also we have commentaries. If I want to add on commentaries to this Bible of mine, maybe let me say I want to open this one. So it will open for me commentaries towards that Exodus chapter 8. If I want dictionary, you can choose one of these dictionaries. Immediately it will open a dictionary side here, and also the words will be aside. If you want to know about altar, you want angels, they will bring all the meanings. So now we have also topics. We have a topics in this Bible. Maybe let me say you want to learn about Christology. So immediately the topic will come, and let's reduce some of the windows which are open. So these are the topics. You can open any topic you want to study about. Okay, now let me say you want to search about something, and you want to search in the Bible. So let me say you want to search about Jesus, and you want to search only this phrase. You press OK, then you come and press the other side. So it will give you every single verse, any verse from the Bible which has the name Jesus. Of course, we begin with Matthew because the name Jesus is in the New Testament only. So that is search, and also these are the same stuff. If you want to use the shortcut, you can use a copy from here, or you can open a Bible from here already, which we have. Then you can also use a search from here. You can choose all these words or this phrase permitted on the missing word. You choose whatever you want. To change the range for the verse you want to copy, you can change from here. Search the range, you can change. You check the Old Testament, which book do you want, and the New Testament, like that. So then you press OK to the range you want. And then there is something I want to explain here. It is what we call initial. Initial, when you press on it, will open what we call green letters. So these green letters help you to get the meaning for each word where they are closer to. Let me say I want to know "and the Lord." What does it mean? You place to that green, it will bring the Lord. That Lord means Jehovah. So that is very nice to get a dictionary. Any word you need, it will give you the meaning in the Hebrew and the Greek. So that is then also in English. If you check on this, where they are saying that you search from this number, if you press on it and you press OK, it will bring the meaning from that word. So this is the meaning for smite, wherever it is used. Okay, so that is very important, how to use Power Bible. So this is a Power Bible, and this is all I wanted to teach you from it. So let's meet next time.